Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's T. Today I want to be showing you how to glue your lace wig, lace frontal, or cap as you like it. If you haven't bought the cap that is your color, you could use the color of your foundation to make it your desired color. And after gluing the cap to your hair, to your head, and after cleaning off your scalp and putting the cap, gluing the cap to your head, you cut off the band because I don't like the tightness of the band, and then you put your glue. You use the blow dryer. Put your wig and put the spray, and the next morning you tie a scarf, and the next morning it looks like this, so effortless, just like you're from India. So that's what it looks like. There might be some flakes, so you can just take a cloth or a face wipe to wipe off the white flakes and just retouch the sides. And the coils were gone by now, so I had to tongue it again. So you bring out your edges if your hair wasn't pre-plucked, and you use your razor blade, or if you can use a short scissors to slightly cut it or trim it. So I could have used gel here, but I used the glue instead. I don't know, I saw in some tutorial that you use glue, and it was just such a bad idea because I couldn't control the way I wanted it to be. And you know, I'm not really particular about edges, so it's not my thing. So you tongue your hair. It's just a one-day style really for the tonguing. So you just try to make it smooth, and you look glam. That's it, easy. And if this was my first time of trying to fix it myself, do make sure you please like, subscribe, and share my videos. And looking forward to the next video. Yep, thank you, bye, kiss kiss, love ya. Can your hair end you an A? Let me know. Bye.